I just told you, as I said, I was busy with a lot of things. मतलब मेरे को घर शिफ्ट करना था, and thanks to your big gifts जो मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुई, and literally बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुई. And other than that, I was working out on my skin because बहुत शो करते करते 2 साल में बहुत ज़्यादा breakouts हो गए थे. So I think I'm taking my acne treatment. So उसमें मैं थोड़ा busy थी, और because after every sitting, my skin turns red, it becomes swollen. So मैं बाहर नहीं जा सकती हूँ. I avoid going out in the sun. इसलिए मैं काफ़ी अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स डिले नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं मीटिंग्स आर गोइंग ऑन, बट आई प्रेफर सिटिंग बैक एट होम एंड रिलैक्स एंड until my skin gets back in shape. Oh, don't ask, it was a blast. It was a super fun thing to have. जगराता रखा था. आई थिंक माता इतना बड़ा दरबार सजा था. आई ड्रेस्ड अप माई मॉम, माई ब्रदर, वी वर द होस्ट फॉर द डे, एंड आई मेट ऑलमोस्ट ऑल माई फैमिली रिलेटिव्स आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग. मतलब डायरेक्टली उस दिन उनसे मुलाकात हुई. Then all the guests I had, my friends from Mumbai, a lot of them made it there. और बहुत सारा फन था, एंड आई रियली मिस माई फैंस आउट देयर. अगर मैं मुंबई में होती शायद और थोड़े लोग होते. और सीरियसली इट वाज फन, इट वाज अमेजिंग. आई थिंक ये क्वेश्चन पुट अप भी नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज आफ्टर डूइंग दैट रोल, अब नाउ I'm getting to know what life is. I'm really going out when I meet people, when I go meet people in different production houses, what they offer me. I kind of end up, comparing it with my previous role, that is Manvi, and I cannot connect well with the, projects that are coming up. और मतलब मैं कैसे बताऊँ, I'm not able to take up anything and everything that comes my way. So मानवी और उसकी यादें और वो जो पूरी जर्नी थी ना 2 साल की, मैं रोज़ मिस करती हूँ एवरी सिंगल डे. एंड मोर सो जब भी कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट मेरे पास आता है आई फील कि ये उस जैसा होगा, नहीं होगा, क्या होगा, what about my fans, how they going to feel about me, what am I going to do. And I kind of feel responsible now to pick anything. It might just affect me for good, it might affect me for bad, it might just ruin me, it might just make me. So lot of pressure at this point of time, and I'm kind of feeling bad about what happened. I really miss my show. I don't know about others, but मैं अपने शो को जितना मिस करती हूँ हर दिन हर रात, I think about those moments and then I go to sleep, but I'm just not able to come out of it. बहन हूँ मैं आपकी, खून का रिश्ता है हमारा. So all these things, it's just not one dialogue. The entire, I think I really lived my character to the core, and when I felt bad, when Manvi felt bad, I felt bad. और अगर मैं गंदे मूड में होती थी तो मैं मानवी प्ले ही नहीं कर पाती थी. So that's how I was connected, and the interaction with you each day, you're coming to the sets, everything I'm missing right now, these interactions. I think precisely after 2 months I'm sitting in front of the camera talking to you like this, and I'm feeling my energy back. मैं इतने दिन से बस घर में सोती थी, उठती थी, खाती थी, but the energy wasn't there. Maybe I was missing out on something, but now I'm kind of feeling the same energy back. So thank you for this. At least, I'm not asking for something really big, because whatever comes my way, but I'm just waiting. There are things that are being offered to me. There are roles that are being offered to me, but right now I think it'll be too early to go for something like Life Okay or V. I'm kind of approach for these kind of roles and on channels like that, but I'm not sinking in with this. Maybe I'm really waiting for something as good as Manvi. I'm waiting for something really as good as Ek Hazaron Mein Meri Behan Hai, because towards the end, let's not talk about it, but really it was a big show, it was a good show. So at least something, not less than that. So I can wait, but please do not ask me Nia when I want to come back, because I really don't have an answer right now. मेरे को नहीं पता मैं कब वापस आऊँगी या नहीं आऊँगी. I have no idea.
नरेंद्र मोदी से भी आपकी बर्थडे पॉपुलर थी.
I couldn't believe on earth, द भारत टाइम्स में एक छोटा सा आर्टिकल था और किसी ने भेजा था मुझे कि ये देखो ये क्या हुआ है. And when I read, oh God, I was laughing on every line, and those supporters are asking कि ये निया शर्मा है कौन, ये कांग्रेस की कॉन्स्पिरेसी है. There was no conspiracy. And despite not being on Facebook or Twitter, she is beating trendies, Modi's trends. This is hilarious for me, and thanks to you. How can I just possibly thank you for everything? So making my birthday so special on Twitter, and when I'm not there, so what is the need? Yeah, you're making me alive everywhere. So thank you so much, and for that, and for of course the IIJW mein who won the ramp. So you also made me win that. So I'm really proud and thank you so much for everything.